You may be wondering, what do truck drivers want that will make their life a little better and a little pleasant? What do truck drivers want and need is to be able to listen to music and podcasts from their phone. Driving a truck for a living could be boring and tedious at times. What every driver wants is to be able to listen to their music or podcasts from their phone. However, most company trucks or pickup commercial truck come with just the basic radio without Bluetooth. Gizmo Guy Gadget provides a simple solution to add Bluetooth music to your company truck or pickup. That way, you can make long haul driving a little better and enjoyable. You can also remove the gadget when you're done with your shift. Let me show you how. Then you're done. There's no modification to the factory radio. So if you drive a truck for a living, or if you drive a truck and it's not your truck, it's a company truck, you can use my device to easily add Bluetooth function to your work truck. So that way you can have your music or your podcast, your news, series radio, even anything you want from your smartphone right through your F-150 factory radio. And when you're done, you're ready to go, you can just unplug everything and then you're done. There's no modification to the factory radio. The stock radio does not have any features other than the radio, so we're going to add Bluetooth to this F-150 stock radio by using my gadget from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com will allow you to add Bluetooth functionality to your Ford F-150 pickup truck simply by connecting my device onto your car, onto your cigarette lighter. That's all you have to do. There's no complicated installations or any sort of modification. You do not need a new radio. You simply connect my device onto the car and you'll be ready to go to enjoy all your smartphone functions right through your Ford F-150 factory radio without any modifications or new radio. Let me show you how it's done. So you get my device from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Gizmo Guy Gadget come with this control unit and the wire to that, and then connect it into the car. That's it. That's all you have to do to add Bluetooth to your Ford 150 pickup truck factory radio. So now all we have to do is plug in this for power and we're ready to go. Oh, first you got to set your radio. So you can see that this is set at 87.9. So we'll set the radio to 87.9 and then plug in for power. And that's all we have to do to add Bluetooth to this Ford F-150 pickup truck factory radio. Now, let me turn this up. You can hear some static, but now we turn it off, turn it back on. And you can also talk hands-free. Simply push this button when a phone call comes in, or when you wish to make a phone call. You can use Siri, Google, or Alexa to do the voice control for you. Or you can just simply manually push the button and the music will play. Push the forward button for the next song. And backward button to go backward. So this is how easy it is to add Bluetooth function to your F-150 Ford F-150 pickup truck factory radio. Simply connect my device to your cigarette lighter and match the radio station to 87.9 and you're ready to go. You're ready to enjoy all your smartphone features right through this Ford F-150 factory radio. As easy as it can be to add Bluetooth to this factory radio. And when you're done, you're ready to go, you can just unplug everything and then you're done. There's no modification to the factory radio. So if you drive a truck for a living, or if you drive a truck and it's not your truck, it's a company truck, you can use my device to easily add Bluetooth function to your work truck. So that way you can have your music or your podcast, your news, series radio, even anything you want from your smartphone right through your F-150 factory radio. Okay.